Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to send direct messages on Discord. So first, what you want to do is go to direct messages right here, or to your DMs on the top left corner. And if you want to DM someone or a friend, go to this, or all your friends here, like just like so, on all, or either this, click on them here on the left side, or you could go here and click on the message button. So it's the same, and now you could like just type in anything like "How are you?" or something. After that, you could also make like a DM thread or like a group chat or something. You could do that by clicking on Add Friends to DM right here, and click on that particular friend that you want to add, so it could hold up to 8 members. Create them. As you can see, the DM thread has been created, or the DM group. And if you want to remove a person there, you could like remove from group, right click on that particular person, or right click on their profile. You could click on remove from group, and as you can see, they were removed. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.